Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all doing fine. In today's video, I am going to show you how to get cool skins in PUBG Mobile without breaking a sweat. That is very easy and very less time consuming to do. Now let's get started with the video. Most cool skins are available in Royal Pass, so complete Royal Pass missions and unlock the exclusive skin from there. You can also buy Royal Pass from here, that is the bonus pass, and make sure you are logged into your own account. Otherwise, they might go to your another account that you might not want it on. PUBG Mobile often runs events where you can win free skins by completing certain tasks like playing matches or logging in daily. As you can see, I have a lot of dresses and a lot of skins right here. To get all of them, you might need to play daily and follow missions according to the PUBG Mobile guideline. You can also use UC, that is unknown cash, to buy skins directly from the in-game shop. Keep an eye on discounts and bundles for better deals. Otherwise, you can simply collect your vouchers or your coupon crate, and when you have a lot of them, you can simply start opening chests. Another way is through lucky draws or trade, where you can try your luck to get rare skins. Just remember, this is random, so you might not even get it and you might spend a lot of money. So be responsible with your money, and that's how you can get some amazing skins in PUBG Mobile. If you enjoyed this guide, like, comment and subscribe for more PUBG tips. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.